What's up everybody? So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repair a dent. These are like 3 dents in one, so I'm gonna show you how to repair that. All right, to start the repair, we're gonna remove the tail light. I'm gonna use a Torx 15 to remove these 2 screws, and then we'll be set to go. Tail light is out. Now we're gonna clean the whole area and get ready to grind it down to bare metal. What I'm using here is an air grinder, and we have a 36 grit roll-lock disc, and this is what we're using to get it down to bare metal. Okay, so we're gonna re-clean the area, and I'm gonna ground out our maxi dent puller and get to work. What I'm doing right here is finding all the low spots and putting our dent puller on those low spots and giving them a nice little pull. After using that dent puller, there's a few high spots, and I'm going to highlight those with the grinder. And now I'm going to get the hammer and tap a few of them down, and we'll move to the next step. Before we do any body filler, I'm going to highlight the area that's ground with 80 grit sandpaper to get ready. This should have been step 1, but what I'm doing right here, I'm taping off this black molding, that way there's no damage to it. You can take it off, we'll take it off in a later video. And in another video, I'm going to show y'all how to mix body filler. Once I'm done doing body filler, we're going to move on to sanding, and we're going to do that with 80 grit sandpaper. So now I'm sanding the body filler. I'm using a Mako orbital sander, and I'm going to highlight the edges. That's the way I do it. There's many ways, but this works best for me. So after taking down a lot of that body filler, you can see there's some high spots. I'm going to tap those down, and then we're going to do our final application of body filler. Now we have a nice new spreader, and I can actually do some proper body filler work. This was the last coat of body filler, and you can watch part 2 on what happens next. In the next video, we're going to show you how to prep the surface and get ready for primer. There you have it. This is the first step on how to fix a dent. I hope y'all enjoyed, and please subscribe.